Hello guys, review Infinix ZERO 30, this version 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Okay, we can record in 2K 30 FPS video, vlog camera 50 megapixels front camera, and sound by JBL. Okay, open box and look completion. Device in the green color, green with gold color. In completion, adapter for charging with quick charge, key for SIM slot, Type-C cable and protected back cover. Very good completion we have. Okay. And now talk about device. Triple camera on the back side, 6.78-inch display on the front side. Covered display we have. Okay, and open settings. System, my phone, Infinix ZERO, version Android 13, Helio G99 CPU, 108 megapixels main camera, 5000 mAh battery. Open Geekbench 6. GPU test results good. CPU test results good. Okay, and look undo the benchmark results. Undo the benchmark results. Run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works. Так. Game load. And works on the medium graphic level. And works good, without lags, glitches. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye!